Uh, so now I will do a simple introduction to our upgraded 4K webcam VA300C. Yeah, its interface is also modified. I will show you. Yeah, its USB port is moved from the right side to the middle now, and the USB cable is also enhanced. So I think the data transmission ability is more powerful now, and the image quality, as you see, is improved. So now I will show you some features of this webcam. I definitely the auto framing. So you see, yeah, I will press this button first. Yeah, you see, there's a gray icon appears here, means auto framing function is enabled. And now when I move, it will adjust it, but just auto framing. When I press this button again, then voice tracking will be enabled. You see here the icon just changed. Hello, Tenville. Hello. Hello, Tenville. Yeah, good. Because I just moved out of the FOV. Hello, Tenville. Good, thank you. Yeah, you see, when I speak, then you see the webcam will automatically adjust the view angle to position me and the center as much as possible. Yeah, so when I press this button again, then you see the icon just disappeared, means auto framing and voice tracking is disabled now. And then I can move this view angle manually. First I will press this button first, and then press this left, right, up, down buttons. You see, right, left, up, and down, and I can adjust the zoom. Yeah, now first zoom in. You see, yeah. Then zoom out. Yeah, and now I will show you the ability of this webcam's voice. Maybe I will place a video for you. So here, see, yes, if you can hear it, yeah, I can. Now the audio is the highest. I will, maybe I will volume down. You see here, I can also, mute, okay, and volume up again. So just feel it. So I think this webcam is very suitable for PC or laptop. Just for one or two people to use. I think it can provide both good quality image and good quality audio. So that's it.